Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of Savlamar in Westmoreland. Now Savlamar is poised for some major developments in the upcoming years for two main reasons. One, a highway is going through Westmoreland. A highway is going to be going from Black River, well actually Highway 2000, which takes you from Kingston all the way to Negril when completed. They're building it out in phases, and the next phase they're going to start working on is from Black River to Negril, and that was recently announced. So with Savlamar being the capital of Westmoreland and the largest town in western Jamaica, it's safe to say the highway will include an exit or a ramp for access to Savlamar. Also, one is a highway going through Westmoreland. The second thing is an airport is being built in Westmoreland. A massive airport is going to be built in Little London, just on the outskirts of Savlamar. But the important thing is, the largest town in proximity to the airport is going to be Savlamar. The airport is going to be about 20 to 25 minutes from Negril. But the airport is also going to be about 10 minutes from Savlamar. So the town of Savlamar is going to benefit a lot from the building of that airport plus the building of the highway. Now, the government realizes there are two major issues with Savlamar, like most towns in Jamaica. One is crime. And the government has started construction of the largest police station in western Jamaica. They are building the Westmoreland Divisional Headquarters, a 3-story building, massive structure in terms of square feet. They have started construction just on the outskirts of Savlamar, probably a 1-minute drive out of the town. And the second thing they plan to do, or the second issue that's plaguing Savlamar, like most towns, is housing. And that's where the NHT comes in. Now, Negril is also in Westmoreland, and the amount of hotels under construction in Negril, we're going to talk about those in another video. But with all of these hotels going up, housing for workers is also a problem. So with the increase in the developments in Westmoreland because of the highway and the airport, and with the hotels going up in Negril, a lot of focus is now on housing. So the NHT, which is a National Housing Trust, is actively developing several housing projects in Westmoreland. We're just going to give you an overview of the projects, but we'll go through them in more detail in other videos and actually show you the developments. So they have the Sheffield's Palm development, which is going to be 113 housing units. You have the Shrewsbury housing development. You have the Savannah Park project. You have the Orleans development, which is going to be 520 housing solutions. You have the Paradise development, which is going to be 2,500 housing solutions. You have the Negril Spot development, which is 1,040 housing units. And you have the Fontabella development, which is going to be 325 units. So in all, the NHT is going to be building 4,500 new housing solutions for Westmoreland. Some have started, some will be on the way. Some will start soon. Alright guys, let us know what you think about all these developments. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.